everybody, this is Judy at Judi in the Kitchen. Not long ago, someone asked me about thawing out frozen vegetables, so I want to give you my tidbit on thawing them out. First thing, one thing I do not suggest is taking your frozen vegetables out of the freezer, putting them on your kitchen counter and walking away and leaving them until they're just mushy. Not a good thing to do as far as food safety is concerned, so really what you want to do is wait until you're about ready to use them and then take them out of the freezer and thaw them if necessary and then use them right away. Don't allow them to just sit out at room temperature for a umpteen amount of minutes or hours or whatever. Now, what I have is a 1 pound package of broccoli florets. And if you are going to boil them in a pan of water according to the package directions, and most frozen vegetables will have directions on how to boil them, in that case you probably really don't need to worry about thawing them out. You just bring your pan of water to a boil, throw your frozen vegetables in there, the water will quickly return to a boil and they'll cook according to package directions. Not an issue. But if you want to do something different with your frozen vegetables, like add them to a casserole, add them to a salad, stir fry them, steam them, roast them, saute them in a pan, anything like that, it can be helpful to thaw them out first because some pieces might be larger than others. If you don't thaw them out, you may have some cooked and ready to go and other pieces still frozen. So it does help in that case to thaw them out first and drain them and then go ahead and cook them however you want. Alright, let's go to the sink and I'll show you two options on how to do this. Alright, I am emptying my 1 pound of broccoli florets into a colander. And two ways you can do this. One, you could put them in a bowl and add water to that bowl and allow them to thaw out in the water. I'm going to put them in a strainer though, and that way it's easier to remove them from there. Another way would be to just allow water to run over them. Warm water works out really well. If you don't want to have the running water, you can just place them in a bowl of water. Warm water helps them to thaw out a little bit faster than cold water. And obviously, just like, think of them as being like little ice cubes. Anytime you add ice cubes to a drink, what's it going to do? It's going to make it colder. So when your water cools down, to allow them to continue to thaw faster, just change that water out. That's why I've got them in a colander. It's really easy to remove them that way. So I'm going to allow them to sit there for just a little bit. It will not take very long, especially like this. If you change the water out a time or two and warm it back up, they'll thaw out quickly. And once they do, you want them to drain, and then you can use them any way you want. Alright, this broccoli has been in this water only about 3 minutes. They're thawed. I've already changed the water once. So you see, it doesn't take any length of time at all. So I emptied the water out of the bowl, and I'm just going to let these sit in there and let them drain for a minute or so. And they'll be ready to be used any way needed. Well, I hope this answers your questions about how to thaw out frozen vegetables so that you can use them any way that you need to. If I have not answered any questions specifically, please put them in the comment section below and I'll do the best I can to answer them and help you out. This is Judi at Judi in the Kitchen. I hope this helps. Have a great day.